Hello and welcome to this tutorial about how to add a poster in your Drupal website. So let's have a look at the first example of how people want to show it. This is a PowerPoint presentation with one slide and you can see the structure of an example for a poster. Okay, so let's have a look at our example of how it should look like in the website. This is what we've accomplished for now, and I already removed an extra feature that we added, but I will show you later on how this can be disabled. So let's start off with our context module. This module is about disabling the feature that I just described. We will remove the user menu, etc., because it's quite unnecessary information. So let's go to the context. We've already added a context option for posters. When we go to edit, we can simply just add the link to, or the path to the page we just saw. This is Lund, for example. Alright. As you can see, there's also another poster already created, and we just added the link. Then, as a reaction to that, one can simply have many options to disable, or you can also do other stuff with it. You can experiment with this quite freely. For us, we decided to remove or disable the first sidebar. Press save, and then we will have a look at the result already. So back to the poster, and then we should see the user menu disabled on your right side. Okay, so the next part you want to do, or what that we want to show in this video, is how to actually accomplish such a structured poster on your website. So let's go take a look at the pages. In the pages, we already created a few posters, and let's say we have a look at Lund for now. When we go to edit mode, we can already see some information. The link is pretty important as well, but we'll show you the layout options, because there's some pre-made layout standards you have to know of, and usually we took the adaptive 3x3, 4x4 formats because it gets quite extended. Other options could be these kind of formats, although we have just chosen for this one. So the next thing to do is add content, and this is where it gets a little bit complicated, because you have to know how you should organize every part of the poster. So let's say, for example, we want an extra header on the left side, and then we just click add content, and we can add new custom content. This will open up an editor where you can easily just fill in the data you want. Test data, for example. As a title, you have to, I'm just gonna pick test, and then you can easily just say finish, and normally it should be aligned right to the left side of the other header. So let's update and save this, and then we can have a look at our poster already. The basic principle about this is always the same. You just have to know how you want to arrange things. So let's go and have a look. And there's our test data field. As you can see, this is not a very convenient way of placing data just like that. You have to really think about how you want to arrange everything. And on a side note, we want to notice that pages is an extra module imported in our website, and it's called panels. You have to keep that in mind. A final feature that we've added to having these posters is to show a light box which expands a picture to make it more clear. So for example, we have done this for this image. This will make it more readable. And to do this, you have to add some kind of light box, also named color box in Drupal. So how did we do this? I know that this content is already how it is named, so I just have to browse to it in the content. It was this one. Then if we go to edit, I can show you how it is built upon. So you can just see the normal image, but we have to switch to the plain text editor to view the actual code of it. As you can see, this is a link tag, and in the link tag there's an image tag. First of all, we have to add the class of color box to it to make it a light box pop-up. And then we also have to make sure that the image can be found, and we have decided to upload this on a third-party website of image uploading. As this won't show the actual image on the poster, we still have to add the image itself, and this is done by adding the image tag. So basically that's as easy as it gets, actually. Thank you for watching.